हेलो फ्रेंड्स, चलो तो फिर कुछ एग्जांपल्स देखेंगे इन्फ्लुएंस लाइन डायग्राम्स के ऊपर। तो यहाँ पे आप क्वेश्चन देख सकते हैं। क्वेश्चन है अ सिंपली सपोर्टेड बीम ऑफ स्पैन 8 मीटर लोडेड एज शोन इन फिगर, फाइंड एज यू कैन सी इन दिस द फिगर इज गिवन, फाइंड द shear force bending moment at a section 4 meter. The question is find the shear force and bending moment at a section 4 meter from the left end, from this left end. Draw influence lines and for the support reactions, shear force and bending moment. Draw influence lines for support reaction, shear force and bending moment. Okay, so let us start. So this diagram is given 20 kilonewton, 60 kilonewton, 20 kilonewton. Total length of beam is 8 meter. This load is acting at a distance 2 meter, 2 meter, 2 meter and 2 meter. So first we'll assume, as you can see here, simply supported beam, reaction at point A RA, reaction at point B RB. So we'll assume first as a unit load is acting on this beam. So first we'll consider unit load is at point A. So we'll get reaction RA is plus 1, and consider and that reaction, the value of reaction goes on decreasing as you move along this length, right? This value goes on decreasing. See this value, how this values goes on decreasing. So please try to understand this magnitude. This magnitude is equal to total length is how much? 8. And from this point, from this 0 point, you consider 0 to this length, how much? It is 6. So for this magnitude it is 6 upon 8. That is 3 by 4. For this magnitude, how much? That is right, it is 4 by 8. That is 1 by 2. For this magnitude, how much? 2 by 8. That is 1 by 4. Right? So like that you have to find. Remember, for this height you have to take this distance from 0 to this point is at a distance of 6 meter divided by total length. This to this length is 4 meter divided by total length. This is 2 meter divided by total length. Like that you find out this magnitude. We call this magnitude as a ordinates. Alright, here in this diagram we assume unit load is at A, that is at RA, is equal to 1. Similarly, unit load is at B, that is RB, is equal to 1. So similarly you can find these ordinates. So this reverse way you can say it is 3 by 4, this is 1 by 2 and this is 1 by 4. Right? Okay. So to find value of RA for influence line diagram, first you find ordinates. जैसे हमने अभी देखा था, at point C ordinate is 3 by 4. This ordinate is 3 by 4. This is 1 by 2. This is 1 by 4. So to find value of RA, take point load at that point into point ordinate at that point C. That is 60 into ordinate of D plus 20 into ordinate of E. Like that you have to take summation. That is, see in this diagram, can you see? Okay. The above this, that is at point C, point load is 20. So 20 into 3 by 4. So 20 into 3 by 4. Similarly here 60 kilonewton is load is there. So 60 into 1 by 2. 20 into 1 by 4. Like that. So to find value of RA, that is 20 into 3 by 4 plus 60 into 1 by 2 plus 20 into 1 by 4. Like that you will get value of RA. And similarly to find value of RB, that is 20 into same calculation, RB is equal to 50 and RA is equal to 50. Right? So write down value of RA and RB, and after that we'll move for shear force calculation. So our first step is calculate support reactions, that is RA and RB. and after that we'll move for shear force calculations, influence line diagram for shear force, right? So as you can see here, shear force at a section 4 meter left hand, that is shear force at D, influence line diagram for shear force at D, right? So D के लिए हमको फाइंड आउट करने का है। तो सबसे पहले हमने यहाँ पे क्या किया, आप देख सकते हैं, बाय कंसीडरिंग यूनिट लोड, दिस इज पॉजिटिव वन एंड दिस इज निगेटिव वन, राइट? जैसे हमने दोनों लाइन रिएक्शन डायग्राम्स जो थी, राइट, आर ए एंड आर बी का, वो यहाँ पे क्लब कर दिया, मर्ज कर दिया। तो अभी हम देखेंगे, और अपने को पता है तो पोर्शन, विच पोर्शन वी हैव टू कंसिडर, द क्वेश्चन इज फाइंड shear force or influence line diagram at D, no? So you consider section D. After considering section D, you consider a portion of influence line diagram from section to point B, and from influence line diagram for RB is in between A and minus RB, right? This much portion you consider, right? So ordinates at A, ordinates at C, ordinates at C is equal to minus 2 by 8. As you can see, this is negative direction, below this line is negative, above this line is positive. So at point C, the ordinate is minus 2 by 8. This distance is how much? It is 2, and total length is 8. So minus 2 by 8. Ordinate left of D, left of D, that is minus 1 by 2, and right of D is plus 1 by 2. This is left of D, left of D is plus 1 by 2, and right of D, right of D is plus 1 by 2, and left of D is minus 1 by 2. So this is minus 1 by 2 and this is plus 1 by 2. At point E, the ordinate is, as you can see, there is a plus, as it is 2 by 8, 2 by 8, that is 1 by 4, right? So once you find the value of C, D and E, remember this, for shear force these will be the two values, shear force left side and shear force on right side. पॉइंट डी के लिए दो वैल्यूज रहेंगी, एक रहेगा लेफ्ट साइड का और एक रहेगा राइट साइड का, राइट? So as you can see, this diagram is symmetrical, loading is symmetrical, because of that you will get symmetrical answer, but in terms of plus and minus sign. So let us see next. So before going to next, so please remember this, for left side, for the left side shear right side ordinates of the shear is to be taken. For left side shear, right side ordinate means, अगर ये लेफ्ट साइड का आप सेक्शन ले रहे हैं तो आपको राइट साइड के ऑर्डिनेट्स लेने के लिए, मतलब प्लस 1 by 2 आपको लेने का, प्लस 1 by 2. इफ़ यू आर टेकिंग सेक्शन टू लेफ्ट साइड, यू टेक प्लस 1 by 2. इफ़ यू आर टेकिंग सेक्शन टू राइट साइड, एंड टेक minus 1 by 2, right? Once again I will tell you, if we consider a section to left, take plus 1 by 2, and if we consider a section to right side of D, will take minus 1 by 2, right? So again, I will read this sentence, please read this sentence carefully. For left side shear, right side ordinate of the shear is to be taken, and for right side shear, left side ordinate shear is to be taken, right? So shear force on the left of D, shear force on the left of D is equal to, see here, shear force on a left of D, here we consider a section, right? So shear force on left of D, what we will consider, that is minus 1 by 4 into 20, this 20 into minus 1 by 4, this height, right? So at D we have two options, either we have to take plus 1 by 2 or minus 1 by 2, but as per our this sentence, we will consider right side of this section. So that is plus 1 by 2 into 60. So 60 into plus 1 by 2, this 20 into plus 1 by 4. So like that you will get shear force at D, shear force at D, that is plus 30 kilonewton, right? Similarly, shear force on right, this is what, right of D is equal to, if we consider this diagram, right of D, here we consider, then minus 1 by 4 into 20. If we consider right side, take left side of this section, right, this is minus 1 by 2, now we have to take, so minus 1 by 2 into 60, right, and here it is plus 1 by 4 into 20, plus 1 by 4 into 20, so you will get answer, that is minus 30 kilonewton. Alright, shear force on right of D is minus 30 and shear force on the right of D is plus 30. Right, so this is all about shear force calculation. Right, next we will see bending moment calculation. In last, we derived the bending moment formula for unit load. When unit load is moved along the beam, simply supported beam, that is bending moment at D, you can write L minus A upon A into X. Now let us see, total length is 8 meter, A is 4 meter, because they clearly mention find bending moment, shear force and reaction at point D. So we will target D point instead of C and E. So D. To find bending moment at D, we will consider A is equal to 4 meter, X is equal to 4 is equal to 8 minus 4 upon 8 into 2, that is equal to 2. Right. So this value of X you will get. Sorry, this is the value of bending moment. Bending moment at A is equal to 4, you will get, that is, this is also A. Right, once you put value of A is equal to 4, X is also 4, so you will get bending moment at D is 2. So bending moment ordinates at C is equal to, so here it is 2, so at C you can write, that is 2 by 4 is 2, but this length is 4, that is X is equal to X upon 2. You can do this cross multiplication and find value of X, that is here at, this is 1. So bending moment at D, bending moment at D is equal to, for actual beam, by considering these loads, that is 1 into 20, this 1 into 20, plus you do simple this calculation, 60 into 2 plus 20 into 1. Alright, so that is 160. Alright, for this bending moment, actual bending moment, we just multiply 20 into these ordinates, 60 into 2, 20 into 1, and you will get final bending moment answer. As you can see, this diagram is totally on positive side, so because of that there is only addition, no subtraction. Alright, so in next lecture we will see another question.